Good morning, everyone. Thank you for inviting me to give this presentation. My name is Debbie Bouchard, and I'm the director of the Aquaculture Research Institute, and I've been an aquatic animal health specialist in research and diagnostic work in aquatic animal health for over 30 years. I'd like to start today, though, with a brief overview of Maine's aquaculture industry and the Aquaculture Research Institute at the University of Maine. The value of commercially raised aquaculture species in Maine is estimated at around $120 million. Maine has a very diverse aquaculture industry. Maine has greater than 24 aquaculture species and 150 production farms. While the predominant revenue-generating species is from Atlantic salmon farming, over the last 10 years, the Maine aquaculture sector has rapidly expanded in the farming of shellfish and even more recently in seaweed. Maine has also seen a surge in companies interested in establishing large land-based recirculating aquaculture systems. Presently, Maine has 4 land-based companies in various stages of development proposing to produce salmon, trout, eel, and yellowtail fish. In fact, American Unagi, the eel company, is actually up and commercially operating. Our Institute's mission is to serve as an objective authority on aquaculture research while advancing sustainable aquaculture in Maine and beyond. ARI's strategic plan aims at addressing 4 broad categories: healthy species, focusing on aquatic animal health and nutrition of individual aquatic animals; healthy ecosystems looks at the broader ecological dimensions of aquaculture, striving to maintain and improve the productivity of aquaculture systems. Healthy populations is more macro level, with a focus on the biology and reproduction of aquatic species to ensure the overall wellness of their populations. For this, we explore genetic diversity, reproductive endocrinology, the biology of aquaculture species, and their biological responses to climate change. Healthy Communities recognizes that aquaculture operates within a larger societal context. We explore the social dimensions of aquaculture, including risk communications and perceptions, sustainable development, policy and regulation, and food safety and nutrition. We aim to ensure that the growth of the aquaculture industry aligns with the needs and welfare of the communities it serves. ARI is involved with 4 dedicated aquaculture facilities across Maine, with a 5th one under development on the UMaine campus proper. These facilities include the Darling Marine Center in Walpole, specializing in shellfish and seaweed farming. We actually have an experimental farm here for research and industry projects. The Center for Cooperative Aquaculture Research in Franklin. This is a hub for land-based aquaculture technology and industry and serves as an industry incubator. The Down East Institute on Beals Island, enhancing marine biodiversity, and also Maine's first public shellfish hatchery. Our upcoming Sustainable Aquaculture Workforce and Innovation Center, which will be on, again, the Orono campus proper, focuses on industry research and job training. It will actually allow students to have experiential hands-on training to facilities that are quite like what's found in commercial settings. Lastly, what we are here to discuss today, we have the UMaine Cooperative Extension Diagnostic Research Lab in Orono, which houses our Aquatic Animal Health Laboratory. The Aquatic Animal Health Lab is housed within UMaine's Cooperative Extension's Diagnostic and Research Laboratory. This facility has 5 cooperative extension units under this one roof: an insect lab for pest management, a plant pathology lab for plant agriculture, a veterinary diagnostic lab with a full necropsy suite, and a tick testing lab for screening of tick-borne pathogens. The Aquatic Animal Health Lab is a highly specialized biosecure containment facility. It is a commissioned biosafety Level 3 facility operating to internationally recognized standards and we consider it relatively rare in the U.S. for its technical design and usage. The Aquatic Animal Health Lab has established itself as a contract research organization and performs industry contract research for animal health and biotech companies in Maine, the U.S., and internationally. We've completed industry research for development of novel vaccines, aquatic animal health therapeutics, FDA drug approval processes, and finfish nutrition and functional feeds. We also use the facility, of course, for our own grant-funded aquatic animal health research and for our partnership with the USDA ARS's National Coldwater Marine Aquaculture Center in Maine. This biosecure facility consists of 2 aquaria wet labs, 2 anterooms, and a dedicated necropsy suite, all within a biosafety level 3 facility with the associated required air handling. Our first laboratory is fully temperature and light period controlled and can carry out aquatic disease trials in 4 small replicated systems with interchangeable tank sizes. Our second lab is a larger disease challenge facility, again fully temperature and light period controlled. This laboratory can accommodate up to 21 500-liter tanks. When using these systems as recirculating systems, both rooms have inline UV for disinfection, or rather for disinfecting water before it re-enters the tanks. So in particular, what are the required features that allow us to operate at a BSL 3 level? Well, the facility has an advanced air handling system with directional airflow that keeps the entire facility under negative pressure from the remainder of the diagnostic and research lab. Air is filtered through a series of HEPA filters, as you can see on my right side, to ensure efficient removal of contaminants from the air and does not recirculate to any other area of the building. The housing is supported by gas-tight isolation dampers, decontamination ports, and a bag-in, bag-out for the HEPA filtration's capability to further ensure proper decontamination. This system has to be recommissioned every year. Additionally, the system is designed to precisely control the individual temperatures of the laboratories to support aquatic animals in a wide range of temperatures. Very importantly, our lab is equipped with a sophisticated chemical kill system approved for BSL 3 pathogens. The system is designed to chemically treat wastewater generated from the aquaria labs prior to sewer discharge. The model is designed to treat a maximum of 4,500 gallons per day and consists of 2 batch wastewater treatment tanks, 2 mixers, 2 discharge pumps, 2 reagent pumps, and storage tanks with secondary containment. We also have an oxidation reduction potential and pH probe and residual chlorine analyzer for assuring that our chemical treatment is functioning properly. A main control panel provides centralized system control by an interchangeable touch screen. The system can batch process and discharge chemically treated wastewater automatically. Wastewater is pumped into the system via the trench pumps in the aquatic labs. Upon reaching the operator specified level, the system enters treatment mode. The wastewater is transferred to the treatment tank from the storage tank for treatment. Once the batch volume level for treatment is reached, the water is mixed. Acid is added automatically until the pH set point is reached. We've set that at 6. And sodium hypochlorite is then injected until the oxidation reduction potential set point of 650 to 750 millivolts is reached. This can actually kill the most pathogenic E. coli in 2 seconds. The system then maintains that set point for a user-settable dwell time before being discharged into a public sewer system. In conclusion, that was, a relatively quick overview of our aquatic animal health laboratory, but you'll be able to hear from the next 3 presenters the actually type of research studies and projects that we do in these labs. I'm always happy to take any questions. I'm always happy if you want to reach out to me by email. Come and visit the University of Maine. Thank you.